Hey, welcome back friends. So in previous video we have successfully fetched out the data from the text fields on our login page. You can see here in the source code or PHP code we have fetched out the data in the variable. The variable name is user email and $password. So we have get out the values of these fields into this variable, and we have shown the value of user email and password in this page. Okay, so now we are fetching out the data from the database, and we are going to working with the database in this video. It means this was a static portion, and now in this video we are going to work with the dynamic portion. So let's start. Simply first remove this line, and after this I need to write a select query. So for writing the select query I need to write a variable select $select. This is the variable, and after this I need to write $pdo. So this $pdo I am taking from connectdb.php file. You can see the variable $pdo, and this variable I am using here $pdo, then object operator, then I am using here prepare method. Okay, and terminate this, and inside this I am going to write a query select asterisk from table underscore user let's see the table name, table user. Okay, perfect. And after the table user I am using here where clause where user email is equal to, in the single quote I need to write here the variable name, okay, user email, and I need to write here user password, and I need to write here AND operator. Okay, but I will write in capital letter. So you can see this is our select query select $pdo, then prepare method select asterisk from tbl underscore user where user email. This user email and user password is the column name of our table user. Let me show you in our database, and you can see here in our table user, and this is the user email, this is the column name where our email is exist, and this is the column name of our password column. So this is the password. Okay, so let's come back on our editor, and after this we need to execute our query. So select variable and then execute. Okay, after the execute I will fetch out all the value in the row variable, then row, and then $select, then object operator, then I use here fetch method for fetching out all the values using of PDO, then scope resolution operator, and then fetch a sock. Okay, and after this here I need to write a simple if condition. Okay, so let's write if and open brace close brace then else. Okay, now inside this if I will give the condition, then $row, and in a single quote I will give here user email of my database column name, and I will compare from the value of user email variable. Just like this I will give, or I will compare the value of password. Okay, and let me check this what the mistake I have done here. Simple, I need to give this close here, not here. Okay, so perfect. And here after the end I just need the same line $row, and here I need to give in a single quote user password, and then $password. Okay, and here I need to pass the success method using a variable success, and I will give here login success, then terminate, and then echo. And just like this, I need to write login fail in L section. So echo, then $success is equal to wrong email or password. Okay, so after the success message, I need to write a method which name is header. After the successful login, we need to redirect our page on the dashboard.php. So I need to here a header method, and inside this I need to write a refresh, and here I will pass dashboard.php, okay, our file name, and the page refresh time is 1. Okay, and save our file. So our code is successfully written our VS Code. Now let's check our file in browser, maximize this, and let's give here password, and inside the password field let's give the password, and inside the email we have given the email. Okay, so password is 12345, and press on login button. So login success, and but it is not found the dashboard.php file. Why? Because our dashboard.php file is residing inside the UI folder. You can see here. Okay, inside the UI folder we have the dashboard.php file. So here we need to give UI, then / then dashboard.php. Now let's save and see the output. Now let's back and refresh our page, and again select our email address and give the right password 12345, and press on login. Login successful, and it is redirect us on ui.dashboard.php file. So fantastic, our code is working perfect. So now let's back and again check by giving the wrong password. For example 123, it is showing us a message wrong email or password or not. So press on login. Oh, but it is showing a message wrong email or password, but with this warning: trying to access array offset on value of type bool in this directory. So we will resolve this error in the further videos, or in next video I will show you how can we resolve this. So but this time our code is working perfectly for successful login. Let me explain you what I have done here. Simply I just got the value in this two variables using of text fields, and after this I just wrote the select query. You can see here the select query, and after the select query I just execute the select query, and I just get out all the value of table in the row variable, and I just put here the if condition, and I just compare the values from database column and the variable for email address and for the user password and the password variable. This user password belongs to the database, and this variable $password belongs to the text field. Okay, both the values are same. If both the values are same, then it will show us a login successful, and it will redirect us on dashboard.php file. Okay, and if the values are not matched, then it will redirect us on the L section, and this line will execute. I hope you got this. If you have any problem, you can ask me the question. So see you in next video.